How to change language in Telegram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Telegram application. Then from your top left corner, go to your menu bar. Then go to settings. After that, you will reach in this interface. Now scroll down and then find language. Now in order to change language in Telegram movies, you will have to entirely change the language in your Telegram application. Simply select the language you want to change. Also, make sure you have toggle this show translation button and then you will be able to translate in your preferred language, whether in whatever language your text is original came from. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.